Hey, English learners! Welcome back to the Flutalk English Podcast. I'm Emma, and in today's lesson, I'll teach you how to never forget English words again. Let's get started. Step 1. Find an image. First, find a picture that shows the meaning of the word. Why? Because your brain remembers visuals better than just words. Let's use the word delicious as an example. Think, what's delicious to you? For me, it's a sweet, juicy mango. So I find a photo of a mango and connect it to the word delicious. That image will help my brain remember. Step 2. Think about a personal experience. Now, think about a memory connected to that word. For delicious, I remember Eid with my family. Biryani, sweets, all the amazing food. That warm memory makes delicious unforgettable for me. Linking a word to a real experience makes it stick in your mind much longer. Step 3. Write down the 5 W's. Write these down. Who taught you the word? Me, Emma. What were you doing? Listening to this podcast. When did you learn it? Maybe this morning? Where were you? At home or outside? Why are you learning? To become fluent in English. Adding context helps your brain remember when and how you learned the word. Step 4. Make sentences. Writing real sentences helps you practice using the word naturally. Step 5. Teach someone else. The final step. Teach it. Tell a friend, record a video, or explain it out loud. When you teach, you remember better because your brain organizes the information clearly. Quick review. So here are the 5 steps. 1. Find an image. 2. Think about a personal memory. 3. Write the 5 W's. 4. Create sentences. 5. Teach someone else. Do this with every new word, and your vocabulary will grow fast and stay strong. Final words. Learning should be fun and meaningful. Use these 5 steps and you'll never forget a new word again. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow Flutalk English. I'm Emma, and I'll see you next time.